everybody. Hi, welcome. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, love, all the things, right? So sending you love and happiness and joy and hugs and all the things your way. I wasn't originally planning on doing a video today, and then I decided to do a short one because I wanted to say thank you and send you the warmest of love and happiness, and like I said already, all the wonderful things for the season and for the holiday. So if you needed a quick little break from all the many things that Christmas can tend to bring, I thought I'd give you just a tiny escape if you needed it. You might not, and that's good. I hope you are spending a very happy day with those you care the most about. I also wanted you guys to all know that Zena is doing very well. So some of you noticed yesterday she wasn't at all interested in her BarkBox unboxing. I think she didn't realize it was happening. When we come in here, she just wants to be in sleepy mode because she really doesn't want me engaging her in whatever we're doing with these videos, do you? She'd prefer to just be uninvolved. If there's no treats, she doesn't want to involve. Right, I know. But she's fine. Tell everybody you're doing good, right? And she just wants to go back to take a nap. Wyatt's here too. If you're new, I'm Laura, and I'm so happy that you're here. If you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing support. Like I said, quick video for you today. I have a Roxbox unboxing. I've had this one for quite some time, so I thought I'd share it with you today. Roxbox is a jewelry subscription. This is a rental subscription, $21 a month. You do get your $21 back if you choose to keep a piece of jewelry for the month. If you don't do that, then you do lose your $21 each month. But you get to keep the jewelry for as long as you want it, or you can return it and get new jewelry as quickly as you'd like. So if you'd like to, I open these pieces and I don't like them, I can send them back right away and get new pieces. Otherwise, if I like them but maybe don't want to buy them, I can wear them for as long as I like. If I like all three pieces, I can buy one piece this month, another piece the next month, and another piece the third month, and therefore drag out my $21 for 3 months so I can put it towards each piece. I've done that before. I will put my information down below. If you use my referral link, you will get your first $21 waived. So as soon as you open up, here's what you see. It does come in an outer bag, and you do want to keep that because that's how you return everything. Put it back inside this box that it came in and then back in that outer bag, and they will send you inside your little pouch here. Here's the little pouch, a return label to send everything back that you don't want to keep. This is cute. It has Mary on the little label there. Everything comes in its own little jewelry pouch, and you do get notes about what the items are, as well as what the retail price is and the member price. First up is something from Kendra Scott. You can create a wish list on their site, and then if any of those pieces become available, they will send them to you. So first up, I have a necklace here. This looks like a multi-strand. You do get to preview the items. Once your stylist picks them for you, you will get to preview them. If you don't like anything, you can swap them for something that you do like. Here's what it looks like. Has that little bar there in the middle, but it's 3 strands. And I think the bar has like little stones there on it. You see that? Very pretty. See if I can quickly slip this on. This is pretty. I think that I only swapped, I want to say, one thing out of this set. And this one is called the Addison Multi-Strand Necklace in silver. And the retail price and the member price is $78. So if I chose to keep this, my $21 would come off of this price. That's pretty. What do you guys think? My big fur collar on today. I love this jacket. It's like a little blazer. We're actually having a warmer day today. It got really warm. It was cold this morning, and then it warmed up to 54. So we're having a really nice day today. That's pretty. All right, next up, something by Rudiment. This is a ring. I love a good ring. Here's what it looks like. This one is called the Paris Ring in Silver. 65 is the retail, 55 is the member. And it does go all the way around with the stones. And it looks, I got my regular ring size 7, but it looks like I can actually fit it on a couple fingers here. That's really pretty. I like that. That would go with a lot. You could stack that really nicely also. I love to stack. Next up is the third one, and it's in a regular Roxbox. It's by Slate. It is earrings, and these are a paperclip style earring. These are called the Huxley Drop in Silver. 45 is the retail, 38 is the member price. They are a post. Here's what they look like. They have a nice dangle. This paperclip style is so in. But you notice that everything with the necklaces, the bracelets, the earrings. Here's the post. That's what that looks like. I like those. They're very lightweight. The dangle is nice. Looks nice with the necklace. Here's all 3 pieces. These are a nice little casual dangle. I like those. All right, that is all 3 pieces. What did you think? $21 a month. You get to try these pieces. If you love them, you can decide to keep them. If you don't like them, wear them as like, or if you decide you don't want to buy them, wear them as long as you like and return them and get something else. If you don't like them, return them right away and get something different. Total of all of these is $171 if I wanted to keep all 3 pieces. And as I said, the $21 would come off of that and I would pay the difference, or I would just wait. So I always just wait. If I liked all 3 pieces and want to keep them, I would buy one item now and then buy the next item and then the next item as I get my credit, my monthly credit. All right, I will put all the information for Roxbox down below. I hope you are having a fabulous holiday. Thank you for tuning in and spending time with me today. Please do share your favorite item down below. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I hope you're celebrating in whatever way that you enjoy the most. And until next time, bye-bye.